Number 3 is HP SmartTank 5101. Looking for a printer that can handle all your home or office printing necessities? HP SmartTank 5101 all-in-one printer is what you need. This printer is the perfect choice for families and individuals who need to print a variety of color documents in high volumes. Not only does the HP SmartTank 5101 offer low-cost, high-volume printing capabilities, but it also comes fully loaded with up to 2 years of original HP ink, giving you up to 6,000 black or color pages right out of the box. That means you can print to your heart's content without worrying about running out of ink or breaking the bank. But that's not all. The HP SmartTank 5101 also offers a range of features to make your life easier. You can print, copy, and scan with ease, and the printer offers borderless, mobile, and wireless capabilities. It also delivers high-quality color graphics and crisp text for all of your everyday prints. And when it's time to refill your ink, you can do so quickly and easily with HP's spill-free refill system. Plus, the printer's self-healing Wi-Fi automatically detects and resolves connection issues. If you are interested in this home office printer, then check the link given in the description to purchase it. Number